G'day! In today's video I've got an ASUS ROG Strix 3070Ti, and this one is quite a behemoth. I'm not sure how I'm going to get the cooler off on this one, but I guess we'll find out as we go. We'll start with most of the screws that we can already see. Screwed together. Yes, it feels like they are. So what I'm going to do is a thermal paste repaste on here. Right now I'm just using a standard small Phillips head screwdriver, and I'll see what we get. Hoping that not a huge amount of this has to be dismantled. And these ones here, not sure if the accents are part of it. I think I need to take them off. These ones along here. Now, what I'm going to see, maybe over here they don't look it. Try a T5 screwdriver. Nope, too big or too small. What have we got here? Sorry, I'm not too sure. That's T4. I'm assuming this is a T6. Now I'll switch to a 000 Phillips head screwdriver. Undo this. This is a very tiny screwdriver. Okay. There we go. Move that off now. I'm curious if the weight of it will take the cooler off. There's going to be a few more tricks along the way. Not seeing any other screws holding it. Unless there's one hidden over here. No, not what I'm feeling. I think it's just a suction of the thermal pads. I would like to get a flathead screwdriver and just pry that way, but then there's a risk of damaging the board. Hold on. My plastic pry tool. There we go. Now, undo this fan connector down here. There we go. I'll fold this over. Put this back. Pad. This thermal paste is looking alright. Let's straighten this up. Put some isopropyl on it. That combined with some tissue paper. Combine that with a toothbrush. couple more passes. Okay. Now if I move this down to here, I'll give this bit a clean here. Oh, wow, they're going a bit wild with the thermal paste. There we go. Look at that finish. Marvelous. Thermal paste. Go. Put it away. Go. This back down. Now I'm going to use some GD900. This stuff. I'm pretty happy with that one in the past. So I don't see why it's going to let me down now. Give the pot a bit of a mix. Interesting. I see at an angle. They're always straight normally. Interesting. I don't know why it's like that. But it's like that because it's the way it is. Spatula on a whole bunch of this. A bit too much on there right now. Or at least on the spatula. On the die there's still a fair bit. But overflowed a bit there. I'm just going to leave that. It's a matter of flipping this over, reconnecting the fans. I should be able to fold this over. Hopefully plug it into here without bashing it too much. The angle I'm on is not great. A pair of tweezers is going to help with that. Much better control. Push down my finger. Click, we're in. Loosely line it up and then flip it over. I want to see that right there. Bingo, that's what I want. Now, better do that first. So I'm just going to do it loosely on each corner. And I'll put the rest of the screws in and go back to this at the end. Once everything else is aligned. it around where I started it earlier. Drop this into here. Okay. Hit 2. Now, I have forgotten where these big guys went. Right there. There. This one here. This one over here. There we go. This is all making sense so far. Brilliant. Oops, a daisy. Now, how did I end up with one extra screw? Is it hidden under here? Yes, we were. Go. And that's one Rog Strix 3070Ti thermal paste replaced. Bye.